Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer an SMTP service with Amazon SES to a VPS step by step clearly. To begin transferring your SMTP service with Amazon SES to a VPS, start by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the Amazon SES dashboard. Verify your domain by selecting the Domains section and clicking on Verify a new domain. Input your domain name and select Verify this domain. Add these records to your domain's DNS settings to complete the verification process. Once your domain is verified, navigate back to the Amazon SES dashboard. Find your SMTP settings by selecting SMTP settings from the sidebar. Click on Create My SMTP Credentials. Provide a username for the SMTP credentials and select Create. Take note of. Next, log into your VPS server using SSH. Install the necessary mail server software if you haven't already. Common options include Postfix or XM. Configure the mail server settings to use Amazon SES as the SMTP relay. This typically involves editing the main configuration file of your mail server. For Postfix, you'll modify the main.cf file. Add the following configuration lines: relay host equals email-smtp.us-1.amazonaws.com 587 smtp under. Create the /etc/postfix/sasl_password file to store your SMTP credentials. Add the following line to that file: email-smtp.us-1.amazonaws.com 587 smtp_username smtp_password. Replace smtp_user. Run the command to create a new hash database from this file. Use postmap /etc/postfix/sasl_password for Postfix users. Ensure your permissions are set correctly on the sasl_password file. Use chmod 600 /etc/postfix/sasl_password for added security. Now, restart your mail server for the changes to take effect. For Postfix, run service postfix restart. Test your setup by sending a test email from your VPS. Use the command sendmailrecipient@example.com for your test. Check your email inbox to confirm successful delivery. Review the mail logs if you encounter any issues. Logs can usually be found at /var/log/mail.log or /var/log/maillog. Once you've confirmed everything is working, you can start using your SMTP service with Amazon SES on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.